the Oslo Doble LED presents you a versatile and stylish way to light up your space. Unlike other profiles, the mounting plate of the Doble LED slots into the center of the tube. Because of this, you can mount a strip on either side of the plate, giving you the option of 360-degree lighting. It also means that the Doble LED can fit wider LED strips than most tube profiles its size. Another upside to its smaller size, in comparison to our other tube profiles, is that the Doble LED excels indoors. It's extremely well suited to wardrobes and closets, thanks to its up and down lighting effect. You can use end caps to give your lights that last layer of polish. These do clip into place, but for permanent fixtures you'll want to use our M155 glue, or an alternative. These clips allow you to mount your Doble LED to walls and ceilings unobtrusively. When building larger lighting creations, these clear joints are made to be discreet, so as to not ruin the visual effect. One thing you should watch out for when using the Doble LED is LED spotting. This is when the light is not being diffused sufficiently, and the individual LEDs are visible. The Doble LED is prone to this, because having the mounting plate in the center of the tube, positions the LED strip closer to its surface. This is why we recommend using the Doble LED in conjunction with our White Lily LEDs. The White Lily is a COB strip, which stands for chip on board. Using a COB strip will eliminate any possibility of spotting. There are a few variations of the White Lily strip available on our site. We offer a waterproof version, along with several color temperatures for you to choose from. Methacrylate is UV resistant, making the Doble LED suitable for outdoor applications. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.